Good morning, guys. Today is gonna be a pretty chill vlog. We're gonna go to Cars and Coffee. We just want to show you what a day in a life looks like. Lynn is actually trying to feed Nala right now.
No, I'm trying to put a collar on.
She's trying to put a collar on her. So
Come here.
let's get it done. Yeah, 1 second. Let me just get
Let me see the
a protein. This is pretty good stuff. 1 second. And then one of these bad boys. This is good stuff. Should be good to go. Let's go. Cars and Coffee. Now, wait. Let's go, babies. So one of the things that I like to have every single morning is a protein shake. I don't drink coffee like my fiance. I don't do any kinds of foods in the morning until like 2 p.m. the day. I just drink protein, I eat pistachios and that kinds of stuff, just so I don't have, you know, a lot of food in my system, so I can just keep going and working hard. Some good stuff. And then Nala just joined us too. She's so cute. So the one thing I like to do, well, I'm kind of being forced into it, but I like to get coffee to my partner, my fiance, and she likes it when I pick it up. And if something is wrong with the order, then it's my fault too, which I don't know anything about Starbucks. I don't know anything about coffee and all that stuff, but she likes it when I get the job done. That's the first car that we see today. I'm gonna see a lot more. It's pretty sunny. Nala. Baby Nala. Hi, babies. Let's go on this side. Is this 488 or 458?
I don't know. I was trying to figure it out myself.
It looks like 488.
I think from the front. This is a 488.
Yeah, you're right.
Pretty swift looking.
I'm gonna say this now on camera. My dream goal is to have multiple cars, not because I want to show it to people, but because I enjoy cars. And I heard that like Porsches are some of the best driving experience. So my goal is to have like a GT3 RS, something comfortable, like a Rolls Royce, and then also something comfortable for the wifey, whatever she chooses. But I don't think that there's enough cars. That's enough. So we're gonna have multiple, like many cars. And this is one of them that I wanna get, GT3. You have to manifest. How do you say it, baby? Manifest? Manifest it, and then it's gonna come. So there are some things that we don't like about the Tesla, but one thing that we do love about the Tesla is that it has AC that you can just control from ahead of time. So that way,
You can turn on the AC.
well, yeah, you can basically turn the AC. That's okay, they can still listen. So that way the car is really, really cold. But right now we're gonna go pick up a honey cake, give it to my buddy that lives in our apartment complex, because he had a birthday a couple days ago, and then kind of go from there. Maybe make some steak. Yeah?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so we dropped off the cake. We got whatever we needed to get done. Now we're gonna head back to the gym. I'm always looking at the screen, but just trying to get used to the camera. Gonna go to the gym right now. Gonna hit a arm workout. I haven't stretched this morning yet, so we're gonna stretch, and then we're gonna do an arm workout. So that should be it. I'm gonna make a few clips here and there from the gym. If you guys are curious, I'm using this tripod right here for all of my shots. So, kind of a little awkward at the gym, but it gets the job done. So today was actually the first time that I recorded myself at the gym with this camera, which I'm kind of liking it. It overheats a little bit, but really good quality. I love it. I'm gonna review the footage because I haven't been able to see it yet, but very excited. One thing that I'm not a big fan of, like some gyms, is that people look at you when you record, and honestly I'm just recording to help people, so that's all. I'm gonna get one more. This camera holder is not the best. It only points down, hence why I am literally under the table. But right now we're gonna drink a protein shake. We're gonna make another one, and then we're gonna make some lunch. First we're gonna shower and then go from there. Ready to go. So we just had our first meal, which was some sausages with that are grass-fed that I actually really like from Costco, and then we had 8 eggs and then some protein shake. So right now I'm gonna actually edit. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm actually editing right now the video. So I'm actually editing right now the video. So that's why I just popped in here. Just wanted to let you know that this is an interesting vlog. I haven't recorded myself in a long time like this, and I'm gonna try to do it at least once a month. Just show my workouts, and hopefully I'm gonna find a friend that can actually record me without me having a stand, or bring somebody like my fiance to the gym so she can record me. But I hope you like the video. Share, subscribe. I'm gonna create more content helping other men and inspiring, motivating, and just show you also my journey and my progress in the gym, finances wise, and also just overall in life. So if you want to stick around, feel free to stick around, and until then, that's Vidania.